Fáilte roimh arás. Welcome back. Follow me, Miss Gaeilge. Let's learn Irish.
Level A1 Topic Adó Rannóg an Lí Cadiad na Ceisteanna Scríbhneoireacht. Level A1 Topic 2 Section 9 What are the questions? Writing. Cadiad na Ceisteanna. What are the questions? La múna ceisceanna chur agus a ragart faoi Cúlra agus áit Chónaithe. Asking and answering questions about background and where you live. Beg an bilog cadiad na ceisteanna uait don Gaeilge seo. You will need the handout What are the questions for this activity. Cadiad na ceisteanna. What are the questions? Seo lista do ragrí difriúla. Here's a list of different answers. Déanaireacht ceisceanna chuma a bheith iarúnach don na freagraí seo a leanas. Make an effort to create questions that would be appropriate for the following answers. Scríbh na ceisceanna sa spás na cuí. Write the questions in the correct spaces. Pause the video clip while you're doing that, and then you can come back and check the answers afterwards. Na freagraí. An áid a hocht a seacht, sé a cahar a dó, a trí an lí a cúig a hen. So create a question that would give you the telephone number as your answer. Mis Sheila, is Americanach me, in Glasgow, Gabra, as an Austrail me. Fihadó, stroid hamáis limnach. Agus inis na freagraí agus na ceisteanna, the answers along with the questions. And cead count, the first one, Cadé diver telephone. Cadé diver telephone. What's your telephone number? Miss Sheila, Cé tusa, who are you? No, cadas enamdid. Is Americanach me? I'm American. Cé astu? No, cadastit, where are you from? In Glasgow, in Glasgow. Cóhfuil tú a Chónaithe, where are you living? Gabra, fine. Cén chu bhfuil tú, or conas atá tú, or cadé mar atá tú? As an Austrail me. Cé astu? No, cadastit. No means are, so there could be either one of these questions. Fihadó stroid hamáis limnach, so it's an address, so the question would be, Cadé do Cheola Baile? What is your home address? And that wraps up Cadiad na Ceisteanna, ceisceanna chur agus a ragart faoi Cúlra agus áit Chónaithe.
Lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course are available, along with audio files and links to Quizlet flashcards and study tools. Original files are available to download at Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge's website, or edited versions can be found at simplyjacinta.com, links in the description box below. Míle buíochas de Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thuirteam úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil a suíomh. Many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for their permission to use the learning resources that are available on their website. Tá súlagam gur bhaint sibh tanavas. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Like and subscribe if you got some value out of it.